Province, Philippines! Today, we are going to share to you guys a lather test of our Metanoia soaps. That's right guys, we would like to show you how it looks like when used. We want to show you the bubbles and the moisture because a lot of our viewers keep telling that it looks like a cake and seems delicious to eat. So without further ado, we want to test 12 different bars of soap here. So let's go to the kitchen sink guys. First is our activated charcoal soap. This is more of a facial soap. It has kaolin clay and vitamin E and it also smells so good. It helps dry up pimples and acne. It also helps eliminate dark spots. There you go guys. You can now see the small bubbles. It is moisturizing. Second one is our orange blossom. We are not able to film this, maybe in the future. This has a smell of oranges since it has an orange essential oil. It cleanses well. It has titanium dioxide for sunscreen and kaolin clay to reduce wrinkles and oily skin. So you see the bubbles. This is very good on skin. Third bar is the Three Wise Men soap. This has a smell of frankincense and myrrh essential oils. The guiding star here is just perfectly placed. The gold mica is the third element in these bar soaps, but it will easily wash away when we use it so it does not leave any stain on the skin. Fourth bar is our Deliverance. It has a cool menthol smell. This has a wintergreen and peppermint essential oil, so it leaves a slight of a cool feeling after using it for bathing. But it is still gentle to the skin. Fifth bar is the Berry Merry Christmas soap. This is the latest bar that we filmed, so this batch is still curing, but look at the lather. The smell is like berries. By the way, it has a strawberry powder that is rich in antioxidant. Sixth bar is the unscented oats, milk, and honey soap. This is good for babies and people with sensitive skin. This has the largest bubbles. It does not have any essential oils, but the milk properties and the honey are so good and luxurious to the skin. So these are all the first batch. Before we proceed to the second batch, which is the last 6 bars, let us share to you a scripture from the book of Philippians chapter 4 verse 13, which says, I can do all things through Christ which strengthens me. Let us proceed to the next batch guys. The 7th bar is the Christmas Spirit soap. This is the first bar of our soap in our Christmas edition soap. It has a Christmas spirit blended of essential oils from Young Living, and nectarine blossom of perfume aromatics. This has a titanium dioxide, a good substance for sunscreen. It also has a kaolin clay that reduces oily skin and wrinkles. Next here is our 8th bar. This is a watermelon bar of soap. It has gold micas on top, but easily washed away. This smells like lavender, and we add the extreme fragrance oil of perfume aromatics. It looks like a watermelon with a green color base. It lathers well and good for the skin. Next here is the 9th bar. We want to call this a green forest soap. This has a nectarine blossom and honey smell. We added a red beetroot on this, but it did not turn out to be color red. However, it still looks amazing and smells so good.
You can now choose your favorite variant and place your orders on the comment section to be included in our raffle on December 31, so you will get a chance to receive a gift pack of Christmas edition from us. 5 lucky buyers will have a very good present to start the 2021 year.
Indeed guys, and it will be free of shipping fees for the gift pack. For those who have not yet subscribed, please click the subscribe button now and the notification bell so that you will be notified on our next video. You may also click like button and share. Bye for now. Stay healthy. Have a good day. God bless. Bye bye.